Today we're re-diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, the contract for deed. It sounds a bit formal, maybe even a little intimidating, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it is and how it works. So, what is a contract for deed? You might also hear it called a land contract or an installment sale agreement. Think of it as a unique way to buy a house, especially if getting a traditional bank loan is tough. Instead of borrowing money from a bank, you make payments directly to the seller over a set period of time. It's like a seller-financed deal. Here's the basic flow. You, the buyer, and the seller agree on a price, an interest rate, and a payment schedule. You move into the house and start making monthly payments, just like you would with a mortgage. But here's the key difference. The seller keeps the legal title to the property until you've paid off the entire contract. Once you make that final payment, the seller transfers the deed to you, and the house is officially yours. Now, why would anyone choose this route? For buyers, it can be a great option if your credit score ain't perfect or if you don't have a huge down payment saved up. It opens a door to homeownership that might otherwise be closed. For sellers, it can help them sell a property faster, especially in a slow market, and they get a steady stream of income from the interest. But, and this is a big but, there are risks involved. For buyers, the biggest risk is that you don't have the same legal protections as you would with a traditional mortgage. If you miss a payment, the seller might be able to cancel the contract and evict you, and you could lose all the money you've already paid. It's crucial to understand the terms and your state's specific laws. You also want to make sure the property doesn't have any existing liens or mortgage problems. For sellers, the risk is that the buyer might default, and then you have to go through the process of taking back the property, which can be a hassle. So, if you're considering a contract for deed, my biggest piece of advice is to do your homework. Always, and I mean always, have a real estate attorney review the contract before you sign anything. They can help protect your interests and make sure everything is fair and legal. It's an investment that can save you a world of trouble down the line. And to help you get started, I've actually created a basic template that you can check out. The link is in the description below. Remember, this is just a starting point, not legal advice. So make sure you still consult with a professional. I hope this breakdown was helpful. A contract for a deed can be a powerful tool, but you have to use it wisely. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. See you next time.